Hey beauty gang, it's your girl Chandra Icy from theblackbeautygang.com, a place where you can learn how to do your makeup and learn about beauty products. I graduated from Paul Mitchell School in South Carolina as a licensed cosmetologist and a makeup artist, so you're definitely in the right spot if you're coming to learn how to do your brows. Do me a favor, stop what you're doing right now, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you guys will be notified when I post something new. I started from the bottom with these brows just like you, and now I'm on YouTube to show you how I do my brows using the 5-point brow system that I created to help beginners like you learn how to do your brows. So let's get into this lesson, okay? So I bet you struggle with your brows just like I did in the beginning. And this is pretty much the purpose of this video, to help you that are struggling with your brows achieve the perfect brow using my 5-point brow system, okay? If you watch till the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this eyebrow tutorial using my 5-point brow system, and I'm also going to show you how you can win or activate these free gift cards. The lesson for today is going to be how you achieve this eyebrow using my 5-point brow system. So I know as a beginner that achieving that brow that you really want is really hard, and a lot of people have issues far as like darkening your eyebrow if that's you, or correcting the shape of your eyebrow. I kind of don't need to correct the shape of my eyebrow, but you definitely can see the difference from a shaped eyebrow and a non-shaped eyebrow, and also just filling areas where you are thin in your eyebrow. So those are some of the common issues that a lot of people have with their brows, and as to why they want to learn how to do their eyebrows like this. So as you can see, I really can't come up that close, but I'm thin over here at the end. But I also, back in 2008-ish, I did get my eyebrows tattooed on, so that actually helped me keep the structure of my eyebrows because I was thinning on the end right here. So typically I use an eyebrow pencil that I will later show you at the end of this video if you stick around, and it's also called eyebrow shadow. And pretty much used to add color and to shape your eyebrows after you tweeze or wax. And that is one of the biggest mistakes that I see a lot of people do when they're trying to do their eyebrows, is they do their eyebrows when it's not waxed or groomed. So it's kind of hard to actually see the structure of your eyebrow when you have all this unwanted hair. So definitely go get your eyebrows pre-waxed. However you do to groom your eyebrows, do that first before you attempt to do this eyebrow tutorial, okay? And just a little more information before I get into the tutorial for you guys. Just far as like brow powders, I'm just gonna read the notes that I have here for you. It's similar to pressed eyeshadow, and you apply it to your brow using a brush that clings to your eyebrow hairs, making the brows appear darker and fuller. Eyebrow pencil, the chemistry of the eyebrow pencil is similar to your eyeliner pencil, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get into the eyebrow tutorial using my 5-point brow system that I created basically when I started using my brows. And before I get into this video, you guys, stay tuned to the end and I will show you how to win one of those free Sephora or Ulta gift cards, okay? Thank you so much, guys. You made it to the final step of this video, and it is the 5-point brow system that I am going to show you how to achieve right now. And if you stick to the end of this portion of the video, I will show you how to win those free Sephora and Ulta gift cards. So this is my first time introducing the 5-point brow system. So I hope you guys really enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up if you do, or let me know in the comments below. So we're going to start by counting to 5. And this is going to be 1 at the top, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is pretty much how I deciphered how to learn how to do my brows, basically watching other YouTubers at the time that I was trying to learn it. So as you saw with that spoolie that I had, I counted the 5 places where I'm going to place dots. Okay, and this is going to help you get a structure of your eyebrows. So I am going to place dot number 1, dot number 2, dot number 3, dot number 4, and dot number 5. And that is pretty much the 5-point brow system, okay? You have your 5 dots. So the next thing you want to do is connect the dots to get the shape of your brow. So I'm going to go back in with another pencil. It's going to be black, so I have to be really, really light-handed because I don't want it too dark. And I'm just going to connect the dots that I created using the 5 points. That is pretty much how you will start this part of your brow, okay? Then you're just going to fill in your brow using stroke motions to fill it in at, up to your liking. And I'm going light versus when I had my brown, I'm just going to go a little bit lighter because I don't want it too black. As you can see, I need to buy new pencils. Okay, the next thing you want to take is an angle brush. This angle brush is going to allow you to blend everything out using your brow. Using this brush. And you're just going to stay within that 5 points that you made. And you're just going to blend everything, okay? And I go a little bit past my brow with the color, the black color, just to make it more natural. As you can see, it will look like this at the end, but it looks like this right now. So then you're going to go in with LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I use this concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Warm Honey. And this is a full coverage concealer, and I've been using this concealer from day one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a concealer brush, which is typically a flathead brush, and I'm going to dip it into my concealer. I'm going to go in with the concealer and just trace my brow using that concealer on the brush. And you can get as close to the edges of your brow as possible. And you're just pretty much cleaning it up, shaping it up, making it thin or thick to your choice. Okay. I did the top first. As you can see, full coverage. You cannot see my skin tone underneath. I'm going to lift up my brow and I'm going to go on the bottom. And I'm going to remove all of this excess and shape it up and make it even to the other side of my brow. Okay? And yes, I'm covering up some of that black just to get it even. And you're just tracing the outline of your brow. Lift up your brow to, you know, it's easier if you have long lashes like me. I lift up my brow because the brush hits my brow when I go underneath. So lifting your brow up helps. And I can remove this part if I want to using the concealer. Let me just show you as an example of what this concealer does. It's really, really magic. And I can actually go up further, just like so, to give my arch. So you kind of create how you want your brow to be. And then I'm just going to straighten it up on the top because I don't like how it's shaped. And you don't want to go too far out, which I am kind of too far, as you can see what is sticking out. Not too much. Your arch and then the beginning of your eye should be just like this. So the beginning of your brow should start in the corner of your eye. The arch should be kind of centered to your pupil, but as you can see, mine is a little bit off, right? And then at the end of your eye, which is like this, your brow should not extend past this point, which you can see mine does a little bit, but that's okay. You do not want your brows to come all the way down here. That is too long of a brow. You want it to stop just right there, but you can see mine goes a little bit further. But if I do want to bring it up a little bit, I can just keep cutting it off. Just to make it even smaller. So it looks definitely different from the one that I did off camera, but for demonstration purposes, we did it again. And so now I'm going to take this foundation brush by Mary Kay Cosmetics, and I am just going to blend. Now that I'm not going to put on foundation, I'm going to blend this concealer out the best I can. Normally, I will put foundation on top. So I definitely recommend you choosing a concealer that is a little bit closer to your skin tone. And then if you want the halo effect underneath your brow, you will get a concealer that is 2 shades lighter. But as you can see, and I just blend the front part off too, just like that. Definitely a little bit harder when you're recording, but that is pretty much it for the eyebrow tutorial, the one that I did off camera versus the one I recorded with you guys, showing you how I do my brows using the 5-point brow system. I hope that wasn't too long for you guys. Now stay tuned to how you can win the Sephora or the ULTA gift card. You guys, I am so happy that you guys stayed all the way to the end of the video so I can show you, or so I can tell you how you guys can win free ULTA and Sephora gift cards. All you have to do to activate these cards is subscribe to my channel and comment in the comment section below free gift cards. Until I reach my 1,000 subscribers, this stack will increase. Right now, I only have 2. They are valued at $20. So when I hit that 1K subscriber, these cards will be available for everyone who has subscribed and comment on all my videos, pretty much stating free gift cards. And I will monitor those and put them in a bin, and that is how you will be entered. So once I hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, I will start giving away these free gift cards. They will be valued between $15 to $500. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed that 5-point brow system tutorial. I started from the bottom with these brows. I know you're probably at the bottom, but I know after you watch this video, you will be going to the top, okay? Let me know if you like this video by hitting the like button, by subscribing to my channel, and like I said, commenting below. You're going to activate these cards right here, and I know you want one.